Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Sarah, say good morning to the Faves.
Good morning.
It's another day here in Milan and we're about to head out for the day. I don't know if you guys can see Tyler. Probably not. The camera is probably hiding him. He's somewhere over there in the corner reading a book. You guys, we're about to head out this morning. It's very cloudy here this morning and it's raining a bit. So let's see if we can get a few things done today. First thing on our agenda, we will be going to another church to visit this morning and a museum in the same area that we went yesterday to visit the cathedral. Ticket that we bought had include the church and the museum visit, but we didn't do it yesterday because we have until 3 days to do it. So we decided that we're gonna do it this morning. Listen to this one. She's playing while I'm doing her hair. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying the Milan vlog so far. And if you have any questions on where we stayed and how we get here and all those things, don't be afraid to shoot all the questions you have and ask us anything about the places that we visited so far. We'll be happy to share any detail that's not in the vlog with you guys. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. You guys will see the entire squad soon as we are ready and heading out. I'm just getting this one here combed. You guys, listen to her. Tyler used to talk to himself when he was this age, but Sarah talking to herself is a whole nother level. Sarah talked to herself a lot and she talked to herself out aloud. When I tell her she talked to herself, I mean like she repeats what happened in her day. She have conversation with her toys. She have a full-on conversation with herself throughout her day. Any one of you have kids that does that? She talks to herself so much and very loudly. You guys, you see how Sarah hair has grown? Her hair has grown so much since you guys last saw her.
And I want to show you something.
What do you want to show them? You don't show them your teeth? Your teeth shaking? Your tooth shaking? Well, two teeth because more than one shaking. The two front ones shaking, right?
Yes.
I'll show you guys outside when I finish Sarah here. It is raining. I can see everyone passing down with umbrellas, but it's not like pouring raining. It's like drizzle rain because you can't really even see the rain, but you can see that the ground is wet and you can see everyone passing down with umbrella. So let's see how the day will play out. We have a few things on our agenda, so hopefully we should be doing the city walk also. So comfortable flat sneakers and things to make us warm. Who's that? Who's that? Just
good morning.
Today should be a good day nonetheless. Tyler, go and brush your teeth, please. Give me a clips. Say hello to the face. Give me a clips. Next one. The toothbrush is beside the safe. Next one, Sarah. Sarah, boo. Alright guys, Princess is ready. Go brush your teeth. Did you say good morning to the face already, yes?
Good morning!
Anyway, guys, Glory, makeup is done. I need to go blend this out some more. This side is fine, but this side, let's do that right now. Glad the camera caught it, so I can blend that out. That's better. Okay, guys, let's go show you outside. Yes, Sarah. Sarah, go be nice, both of you, and brush your teeth right now. And do not mess your clothes up. Okay, let Tyler finish first, and then you go after.
Okay.
You're always bickering with each other. I want to show you guys outside. Oh, and it's cold. So that's outside. We are on the 5th floor, so you're having a perfect view of the tram line. You can see people passing with umbrellas down. See, it's very cloudy. Oh, okay, that's enough. I'm going back in. You guys, raining and cold. That's the vibe right now in Milan. But hey, we ain't gonna let that stop us. We're in these streets, all bundled up. Daughter, Tyler, Papa, babe, Jesus, you're deaf. No, and then I said Tyler, and Tyler turned, and then I said Papa. Anyway, you guys, we're out here in these wet, rainy streets. Jollibee, we're passing Jollibee again. Fried chicken for breakfast. Why not? Let's do it. Yes, Jollibee. I see to that. I see. You guys, right now we are in the museum of the church, of the cathedral that we went yesterday in the previous vlogs. This is so cool. I like how the light is just reflecting only onto the cross. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. That is so nice. It's so angelic. Look at this cross. Oh my gosh. No, can't do flash. You're not supposed to. This is the beginning of the construction of the cathedral. Look at that masterpiece. Wow. Between 1519 and 1891. Mercy. Look at that, man. It's all, I'm fascinated by all the little details. Yeah, but the detail. Look at this detail. The person that designed this, the architects that did this, he was so intentional and know exactly the masterpiece he was creating, because it just stands out beautifully. Absolutely. These are the communion cups that they put the wine in, Tyler, and give you with bread at communion service each Sunday. I used to do this when I was younger, but the cups that they give at my church look like this one right here. These 4 down here. communion is very important in the Catholic Church. What is this? Giovanni Perezzo base covering cast silver sheet crystal wood. Jesus nailed to the cross. Tyler, it's this I was telling you about yesterday. You see, he is nailed to the cross. So the nail that was in one of his hands, that's what's in the church, in the cathedral that we went yesterday. See? This one must be one of the past priests.
Yeah, they call it
Archbishop. And who are these two? Yeah, but who are they? There's not much information on who they are. Maybe if we had done the listening tour, then we'd probably hear something. Yeah. They're representing something, but there's no information there to say who they are really. Gargoyles. These gargoyles were actually on the cathedral, and they were taken down a few years, hundreds of years ago, to place inside the museum so that they can be admired up close. You guys are really getting a tour of this museum, but I don't think the video is doing any justice to the beauty of the pieces in here. They are so detailed and well crafted. Every single piece and every single detail is just beautiful. Hi! This piece is so cute. Look at the baby at the foot of the man. You have an apple in his hand. The tour continues. This is in the courtyard. We're gonna go in a church to see more history that have to do with the cathedral. So we're inside a small church. Inside a small church. But there's nothing much to see. It's just a part of the tour. And that's the pulpit with all the beautiful architectures, of course. All right, we can go. That was nice. That was the construction of the church.
Eating a Jollibee.
Yeah, it's not time for lunch yet, Ty. Squid game.
Okay. Look, you have here.
Yes.
Not a real game.
All right, we're in another section of Milan. Here it's called the Plaza. And there's a huge statue of Leonardo da Vinci right there. And there's tourist group. This must be some kind of government building in this area. Still drizzling wet. There's Fendi over there. Another diplomatic building here. And Sarah bin Sarah. What you doing, you?
I have to go to this color.
Okay.
And this color.
Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, now I need to go and find food. I think we're going back to Jollibee. Guilty pleasure. Surprising find.
So the boat thing, so this is the theater.
The boat thing that I said?
Yeah.
The water? Where? Far?
Oh no, I saw it
in the recommendation?
That's the theater.
Okay, I was thinking it's a government building. Babe says a theater. Theater here.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Okay.
Statue.
So we go
back.
that way and then head to Jollibee.
Yeah.
Come daughter, let's go. Food time. Mama is starting to get hungry. Mama get hungry now. What's going on? Oh, she find her friends.
I just like.
Hey.
I just like this one.
Yeah. You find the birds? Don't walk back ways. Lots of tourist group. Yes, we are in the 5. You guys haven't seen us since the daytime. It is now night. We had went back to the hotel to rest, and we got some well-needed rest. But we're heading out this evening on a special occasion. Tyler, come here. Stand beside Papa. Wait, my battery's about to die. Where are we going?
Two things that you want.
You had two goals when you came to Milan. What was the two goals? Eat pizza and spaghetti and see the stadium. And he accomplished eating the spaghetti and having the spaghetti and the pizza. And guess where we're heading right now? What we're going to do at the stadium? We're gonna see a game. We're gonna see a game.
Yes,
No, the game is today.